Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis continues his successful promotion of Maharashtra as an investment destination in his US visit. Government ready to meet all genuine demands, appeals striking resident doctor to end strike. Medical services in the state affected. And Maharashtra gears up for Digital India Week, various events and workshops organized across the state. Thank you, Rukma. Good evening and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. And now let's the news in detail. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis continues to make a strong pitch for the Make in Maharashtra campaign by meeting top industry leaders in US. He is leading a delegation of a week-long official tour to the US to promote the state as an investment destination. Chief Minister met senior leadership of technology giants like Apple, Google and Cisco. Address Investment Maharashtra Roundtable at San Francisco, he spoke on technological expertise of Maharashtra and its new IT policy, which creates a conducive environment of IT industry. He also spoke on state role as a pioneer in the field of technology with a demographic advantage and human resources. In an important achievement, a MOU was signed between Government of Maharashtra and Cisco to make Nagpur a smart city, which the CM termed as a great step towards realizing dream of smart Maharashtra, especially as the country celebrates Digital Week.
Making Nagpur a smart city, and your experience at Barcelona would be very important while working in Nagpur. Although the challenges are different, but I'm sure with technology, challenges can be actually taken head on. So I think this is a very good beginning. And not just Nagpur, but we need to make the entire Maharashtra smart. So fortunately today the Digital Week starts in India. And on this auspicious day we could sign this MOU is also a real good coincidence.
And the State Education Minister Vinod Tawde today said that government will positively meet the genuine and legitimate demands of the striking resident doctor and appeal to them to withdraw the strike which have affected medical services in the state. While addressing the media, Tawde said that an ad hoc increase of stipend, better security of doctor, improvement of their living quarters, etc. will be met.
99% मांगे हमने मानी है और मेरी बाढ़ के डॉक्टर से अपील है कि वो स्ट्राइक मरीजों के हित में रखकर वापस ले चर्चा सरकार करते हुए उनकी मांगों पे विचार करें.
And earlier, Maharashtra Association of Resident Doctors has a charter of 10 demands which according to them have never been assured in writing by the government. Nearly 4,000 doctors across Maharashtra have gone on an indefinite strike from today in support of their various demands, a move that affected medical services in public hospitals in the city and elsewhere.
मेरा पेशेंट ऑलरेडी एडमिटेड है, बट ड्यू टू डॉक्टर स्ट्राइक उनका रेगुलर जो रूटीन चेकअप है उसमें दिक्कत आ रही है. वी आर नॉट गेटिंग प्रॉपर आंसर कि उनका क्या करंट कंडीशन है. माय पेशेंट इज इन आईसीयू. ही इज इन वेरी क्रिटिकल कंडीशन, सो दिस इज वेरी प्रॉब्लमेटिक फॉर आवर फैमिली. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट डॉक्टर ऑन माय बिहाफ टू प्लीज ड्यू दिस स्ट्राइक एंड हेल्प अस ऑल द पीपल्स हु आर सफरिंग दिस विद प्रॉब्लम.
सभी मरीज परेशान हो रहे हैं और हम भी परेशान हो रहे हैं, और सरकार को और डॉक्टर को बैठ के तय करना चाहिए कि आपस में उनका, इससे हम लोग परेशान हो रहे हैं, हम मरीज परेशान हो रहे हैं.
परेशानी के सामना तो हो ही रहा है मैडम. सुबह से हम लोग 5 बजे से आए हैं. अभी कल लाइन में हमारा पेशेंट है. कब नंबर आएगा, कब वार्ड में जाएगा, कब उसका इंतजार कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
कल से मेरे को सोनोग्राफी की दिक्कत होने लगी. लाइन में लगे हुए, अभी स्ट्राइक है. अभी
Various programs and activities for the Digital India Week have been planned across the state. The state government has already initiated its own version of Digital Maharashtra with a vision to eliminate corruption and to provide transparent and efficient governance to all. The Department of Post has also organized a week-long event consisting many programs including Jan Chetna Divas, Financial Inclusion Divas, E-Education Divas, E-Dunya Divas, E-Commerce Divas and Public Grievance Divas.
20 March 2023 को 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 हमारा डिजिटल वीक में हम कर रहे हैं कि हमारा मोबाइल ऐप्स निकला है, जिसके तहत हमारा जो कस्टमर्स हैं वो मोबाइल ऐप्स के तहत जो वेरियस सेविंग्स बैंक के क्या क्या स्कीम हैं उसके बारे में जान सकते हैं।
Meanwhile, IIT Bombay also inaugurated Digital India Week in Mumbai and showcased several projects including spoken tutorial, FOSSE, e-Yantra, e-Kalpa, virtual labs. More than 100 partners are celebrating Digital India Week along with IIT Bombay. Describing the importance of Digital India, IIT Professor D.B. Phatak spoke to a correspondent.
Launched Digital India Week. What are the highlights?
The highlights are we have been doing a large number of projects with national importance. So we wanted to bring to the notice of the people in the country what IIT Bombay has been doing. We have been supported by the National Mission on Education through Information and Communication Technology. Using digital mechanisms, we train teachers in large numbers. We have trained 1 lakh teachers in engineering colleges. We conducted the low-cost Akash tablet project. Through spoken tutorials, we are reaching out to lakhs of learners across the country to learn on their own. So all the work that we have been doing, IIT Bombay wishes to showcase. We run massive open online courses. So we are using this Digital India Week to showcase all our activities and to recommit and rededicate ourselves to do more in the coming years.
Thank you, sir. So finally, Mr. Phatak is saying that IIT Bombay is going to, play a vital role in this initiative by Modi government, and also it will have definitely major and comprehensive impact as Professor Phatak is saying that career opportunities, of course, and the e-governance, of course, and there are several things that will be based on technology, and India will definitely get a boost as far as other sectors like manufacturing, like infrastructure are concerned, and this time definitely this was the need of the hour that India is experiencing this time. From IIT Mumbai, with cameraman Suresh Kali, this is Yogesh Kumar Sital, DD News, Mumbai.
And that's all we had in this edition of the Metro Scan from Mumbai, but we'll be back tomorrow evening with some latest update. Till then, goodbye.